Earth Command Center, this is Alpha Rocket Station. Fuel cells are full. System is green. We are cleared for rocket launch in T-minus 1 minute. The automated defense grid is online, securing the airspace for a safe liftoff. Wait! Cancel the countdown! The automated radar is picking up a massive airborne anomaly. It's too big to be a bird, and it's diving straight toward the launch pad. Unidentified creature detected. It's breaching our airspace right now.
Red alert! Target locked! It's a dragon! A mythical beast is attacking the rocket station. The defense matrix has captured the target. Protect the core. Activate all emergency systems.
Can the rocket launch before the dragon destroys the entire station? Or is Earth's final outpost doomed?